Here we go. Wow, it goes way the hell up there. The canopy high above us, coming all the way down. Jungle everywhere, except for this little stream we've been semi-following. My fearless leader, Captain Brett, and his muddy feet. Although, you know, they're cleaned off now. Now we're ready for dinner. Alright, Brett thinks that we've spotted a pack of what are probably howler monkeys up here in the trees. Oops, my zoom isn't strong enough to reach out there.
This one's very good.
Yeah, there they are. Yeah, there's quite a few.
Yeah. I don't know which kind they are.
Go ahead and climb up that tree and let me get a shot of you sitting next to one.
Take a couple of bananas, you know. Don't want to be rude.
Yeah, all the banana trees.
Oh,
there we go. Yeah,
yeah. Just looking at it.
Yeah, they're coming over to see what we're doing. You can hear the rain coming down, but the canopy above, we haven't even felt a raindrop yet, but we can hear them coming down through the forest.
I don't think this is the way we go.
Now Brett thinks we're lost. Stepped in quicksand, got stuck. So we're turning around, going to take another path back this way. Rain's coming down harder now. We're trying to find the path, a path, back to where we left the boat, which is still quite a distance from here. Interesting. Don't know if you can hear this, but it's really starting to really rain. Unbelievable noise above in the canopy. You can hear the howler monkeys starting to let off, howling. Last night Brett told me that they don't like the rain, and sure enough, as soon as it really starts raining now, they're over there howling away. Oh, this is interesting. I don't know how long this camera will hold out. I need a camera like yours. Waterproof.
Oh, hold on a second there, mate.